clase. I want to review some information with you for Monday's quiz. You have a quiz on Monday, September 23rd, and it's on your verbs, verbos con cambios en el radical. This is the white sheet that was handed out to you in class. It has the verbs that change form. You're going to need to know these verbs, know what they mean, and how to conjugate them. Okay? You have 3 things you're working on right now. You have the 3 ejercicios you were given in class for homework during this week, and we have posted the answers to these on Edline. Double check your work, make sure you're conjugating correctly. You have your actual vocabulario, your verbs that you're going to be tested on, the white sheet. Check and make sure you have this. And today, on Wednesday, you were given this sheet, estructuras gramaticales. And I want to go over this with you to make sure that you are conjugating these verbs correctly. So we have number 1, los empleados. We have a blank, el trabajo a las 9. We have to go up to our box and find the word that fits. Now for your quiz is going to have the box in English. So you're going to have to do 2 things. You're going to have to be able to translate the words and then conjugate them, just like in a previous quiz you took. So the sheet you were given today, this estructuras, and it has the 14 questions, is very similar to the quiz that you'll have Monday, except the word box at the top is going to be in English, just like before. So you need to actually go over to your sheet, to your verb sheet, know what the verbs mean so you can translate the English word box, and then you're going to have to be able to conjugate them and fit them into a blank sentence. So I said, los empleados empiezan el trabajo a las 9. I conjugated, I found my verb, I conjugated it, and I double checked. It's a boot verb. When does it change? What tenses does it change in? Make sure you're making mental notes. If it's a boot verb, that's easy. Then you know that in nosotros and vosotros, it doesn't change. So don't get tricked. If you get a question that has nosotros in it, you know, oh, it doesn't change. Review the verbs. Look at what it changes in. All right? Go back to your sheet. E to IE, O to UE, U to UE, and verbos que terminan en IR. E to IE, O to UE, E to I. Look at each one of the categories. Double check. Go back to your page. See if you're able to conjugate properly the verbs. And if you are able to do this sheet with accuracy, you should do fairly well on the test on Monday. We will go over this in more detail together as a class, this sheet. Okay? So, I wish I could take questions from you guys here, but it's virtual, so I can't. But remember, I'm available every day in room 254 from 11:15 to 11:40. Come on in, visit us. I can go over the sheet with you. I can pull up the Promethean board. You can do practices. You can come in and just hang out with us. We can talk in Spanish and practice these verbs. Because really the only way that you're going to master them is if you review them and practice them. I'm in 254 every day. Come on in, and I hope to see you. Bye-bye.